Video tutorial for tutors. Step 1. Please click Login first, then register as a tutor and fill out the form on the registration page. Step 2. Open your email, then activate account. Step 3. Log in on the registration page. Step 4. In the dashboard, click Account. Select Personal Information, complete your form, and save. Step 5. Select Profile Information. Upload your profile picture, fill in the remaining fields, and save. Step 6. Select your tutoring service. Then click Add Course. Step 7. Fill in the form completely, then click Save. Go to Find a Tutor. You will see your profile appear there. Good luck and thank you.